All right, so let's talk about losing body fat. Notice I said fat and not weight because you don't want to lose 30 pounds and go from a big blob to a smaller blob. That toned fit look that most people want is keeping as much muscle mass as you can while losing body fat. So that's what we target both with calories and the macros in which we're going to eat. So let's talk about calories. You're going to eat 10 to 12 times your body weight in calories. And I know everyone right now is like, what is 10 times my body? No, we're going to start at 12. If you're in the Undefeated program, we've talked about physical restoration. We're going to start at 12, see how our body reacts, and then slowly bring it down after 2 to 3 weeks if we don't see any change. If at 12 you start to see your body weight, your body fat and body weight come down, then you're in a great place. Stay there until it stalls or until you reach your goal. And that's how I would suggest at each of the spots, right? Get to after 12, then to 11, after 11, then to 10. 2 to 3 weeks, continuously seeing, and don't move until you see a pause or plateau in the success that you want. Now, when it comes to losing body fat, movement has to go up. I'm usually going to suggest 2,000 steps more per day, regardless of the activity that you're currently doing, or start a fitness regimen or start running. Just increase in activity is going to be important, and usually 2,000 steps a day is a really great way to do it. And now let's talk about the macros. The first is probably going to be the toughest because everyone's been told fat is the devil, and these 30 to 90 day programs almost always eliminate it. But that's short-sighted vision, and you're going to see success in those 90 days. But then what happens after? I'm going to say 30% of your calories should come from fat each day. But why, Joe? Because if you go below 20%, your testosterone lowers and your ability to maintain muscle significantly declines. And we want to lose body fat, not just weight on the scale. So maintaining muscle is important. Also, muscle helps you burn additional calories. So lowering the muscle in your body also lowers your potential to burn additional fat. Long-term vision here. That's what we're focused on almost consistently. We're going to move on to protein, where for women, 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight. Woo, say that 4 times fast. And for guys, 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Again, trying to maintain and keep the muscle that you have. The rest of the calories from carbs. I love that idea. Now, most people are like, oh my God, that is a lot of carbs a day. Yes, that's hundreds of grams of carbs for most people. But why would we do that? Well, remember, if we're in that 10 to 12 range, we're scaling towards a deficit, which means we're burning all the calories that we eat. So how could fats or carbs present harm if we burn them all? They don't. Yes, that's just common sense. People who are telling you to get rid of fats or get rid of carbs entirely want you to see success so that they can attach their name to it. I want you to be able to do what you want with your body forever. So it's going to take a little bit more time, but you'll see greater results and be able to keep them, because that's the point of almost all of this. Next up, we're going to talk about maintaining strength, size, and weight. In the comments, please let me know what nugget you took away from this video or something you'd want me to expand more on. Take care. Be well.